The Galaxy S23 series is just days away from launch, and leaks continue to offer further clarification on specs, including a downgraded selfie camera on Galaxy S23 Ultra and the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy under the hood. Roland Quan of WinFuture tweeted a couple of images earlier today that confirm a few details of the Galaxy S23 series that we've heard before. Firstly, Quant published an image of what appears to be marketing material for Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy, the customized chip that will be used on Samsung's upcoming flagships. We first reported on that name last week, and this image certainly implies that Samsung intends to double down on the branding to some extent. Samsung's custom version of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 isn't expected to be drastically different, but does have a higher clock speed that has the potential of delivering better overall performance. The chip is also set to be used globally. The modified Snapdragon logo will be used in relevant promo images. Speaking of, some promo images have already leaked just days ahead of the official unveiling on February 1. Be prepared to see this kind of thing on many billboards and around the web starting next week. A further comparison page posted by Quant offers a side-by-side look at Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S23 lineup and shows how the base model isn't really losing out on anything major this year. Where prior Galaxy S flagship lines often left the base model with one of other major compromises, there's really nothing particularly notable this time around, at least based on this comparison. The base Galaxy S23 has the same 1750-nit display, same cameras, same memory and storage allotments, and super fast charging 2.0, though that last one is expected to be capped at 25 watts rather than the 45 watts on S23 Plus and S23 Ultra. More interesting from this comparison is looking at the cameras across all the variants. The S23 Ultra has the best layout of the bunch, with its 200 megapixels main camera, 12 megapixels ultrawide, and pair of 10 megapixels telephoto shooters. However, the S23 Ultra also brings a significant downgrade on its selfie camera. The front-facing shooter drops from 40 megapixels on the Galaxy S22 Ultra to just 12 megapixels on the newer model. It's unclear if there are any improvements to justify such a downgrade. Samsung is set to launch the Galaxy S23 series on February 1, with reservations open now to score up to $100 in extra credit with your pre-order. That offer goes away on January 31, so act while you can. There's no obligation if you put in a reservation and end up deciding against the purchase. So how do you like the upcoming S23 lineup? Share your valuable thoughts in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you for the next time. Peace out.